Absolutely incredible. Okay, so that, if you're interested, is Quinta da Retorta, Penadono. There, I think we've got time to squeeze another one in. Where should
Oh,
where should we
excellent.
go, where should we go next? Because these are fascinating. These are absolutely fascinating.
You can go to
Casa Limão in Vezio as well. We've got.
you can do. Those are mine. Those are mine.
What about Vila Real, or Vila Real as people call it? This is what I put on the thumbnail behind you. That those kind of Douro style. What are they? The way it's the terraces, the growing terraces. Quinta Vila Marim. This is a very beautiful location.
Yeah, it is, and it has got that sort of Douro terraced vibe. It's an old family farmhouse where the grandparents lived, the parents didn't, and the grandchildren now are selling.
Yes.
Again, it's just surplus to requirement. They had happy summer holidays there as kids, and nobody's used it for ages.
Wow.
It needs a serious rebuild, but the land and buildings around there are expensive. You know, it has got that Douro cachet about it, and it's again, not far from Porto at all, and it is quite charming. But there's a lot of memories go with these places, and the families are very emotionally attached.
Yes.
Sometimes to the point of overvaluing their assets, so you've got to sort of talk them down a bit to a sensible market value. But that's a good shot of it there. It's the building on the left,
right?
And it's an old farm. It's got an adega, it's got a barn, it's got everything. It's but a bit of a jumble inside.
In terms of how it was built,
in terms of the room layout, yes. Lots of small bedroom, but we've gone more into ensuite and open plan now in this day and age. So
right.
But
tiny little rooms.
So it is doable, but it is the memories standing there with the granddaughter, who's an international businesswoman. She spends her time in London, Lisbon, and the US, standing there, and she was just saying, "Oh, when I was a kid, when I was little, I remember X, Y, and Z." And all
running along this corridor,
you can name all the fruit trees and things. It's so different to her current life, but it's still there. It's still part of her history.
Wonderful. Okay, I'll put the link to that one, which is, of course, the link to rural-properties.com as well. So what are you up to today? Thank you, Paul. Really great. Always talking to you, learning so much about Portugal, the culture, the history, and seeing all these lovely gems. I think it was the right title, Hidden Gems from Rural Properties, is absolutely right this morning.